Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. So as you guys can see by today's video, we are doing yet another online business video to help you guys grow and excel your online businesses. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a new wholesaler that I recently discovered here on YouTube. Today's video, we are going to be talking about fashionlinefactory.com. They are a wholesaler and manufacturer of women's apparel. So if this is something that you're interested in, just keep on watching. Hey guys, okay, so as you guys know, if you're watching this video, you are most likely an online business owner or you are looking to starting your own online business. So that's why you're watching this video. That's why you clicked on this video. So today I'm going to be talking about fashionlinefactory.com. I've seen a few YouTubers do videos about fashionlinefactory.com. So I did some digging, I did some research, I digged up a lot of information about this brand, and they actually reached out to me and they wanted to send me some products so that I can show you guys the quality of a few of the products that they have. But before I get into that part of the video showing you guys their quality, I'm going to tell you a few specs about this wholesaler. So as you guys know, as a business owner, it is always our duty to find new products, and it's always our duty to find these products but in a affordable way, but also not minimizing the quality. So we want to find new products at an affordable price, but they also must be great quality. So Fashion Line Factory is not only a wholesaler, they are also a manufacturer. So this means that everything that you see on their website, they are actually the people who manufacture it, the people who make these products. So that is also a plus. So how a lot of these overseas wholesalers work is that they have the product, but they go through a shipping forwarder to get your products shipped. With Fashion Line Factory, they actually ship your products for you and manufacture it all in one place. Okay, so when you're on fashionlinefactory.com, you're going to be able to see that they offer all of the latest clothing and apparel trends. And not only that, they offer plus size clothing, you guys. Plus size clothing. I feel like there is a huge lack in plus size clothing. So they offer the size standard all the way up to plus size. So when you are shopping with fashionlinefactory.com, you are going to get amazing competitive prices. You're also going to be able to customize your products, and you're also going to be able to customize your labeling and pretty much rebrand a product that you're buying from them to make it fit your brand. And you have your brand logo, your whole brand aesthetic. They do all of the customization for you. So normally their products are priced up to 40% cheaper than most wholesalers. Stop! So now that I got your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and become a part of the notification gang so you would never miss one of my videos. So when you subscribe to my channel, of course it's free and it supports my channel and it helps me to keep making these type of videos for entrepreneurs like myself and entrepreneurs like you. So back into the program. And they also allow for a smaller order quantity. So this means you're not gonna have to order 20 of one product or 100 of one product. Sometimes wholesalers make you get up to 1,000 per one product. So this wholesaler and manufacturer allows you to get smaller quantities starting at 2. Also, I want to tell you guys that delivery is via FedEx and their processing time is only 2 to 3 days. So you're not going to be waiting weeks to receive your products. Okay, so now that I've talked about the brand and you guys know the specs and you guys can see how the website looks, and if you guys are interested, of course, we are going to move into the second part of the video where I'm going to be showing you guys a few of the pieces that they sent me so we can go over the quality. I am going to be straight up real with you guys. If I see anything that I don't like about this brand and the quality of the products that they sent me, I am going to tell you guys. Okay, so let's get into that part of the video. Okay, so the first pieces I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be a few evening pieces, very classy, great for going to events or on a date night. and like a nice dinner or something. These pieces are super cute. So this is the first dress that I'm gonna be showing you guys. This is a pink dress. I love how the side is like slanted. Super duper cute. I can tell you guys, this fabric is so thick. Like when I got this dress, I'm like, oh my god, this fabric is so thick. Like it will definitely keep you warm. So the bottom of the dress has this super cute like fluffy curly pattern, and in the back of the dress it has a zipper. And I'm telling you guys, the quality on these dresses are absolutely amazing. Even the zipper is a really good quality. Okay, so now moving on to the next dress. I feel like this dress reminds me of a type of bondage dress. This is another like deep night dress. I absolutely love this one. Again, it is made of the same material as the pink dress. It's a very hefty material and it's also very stretchy. And not only does this dress have a zipper, it also has like a clip here so that you can secure the back. And this is how the bottom of the dress looks. This dress is completely white. And again, the quality is amazing and it's super duper strong. Okay, so the next dress I'm going to be hopping into is a like everyday dress. Perfect for the summer if you're just laying around, something super light and comfortable, but the fabric is very good quality. Again, I got this dress in a large. I do think this dress is rather big, but it's super cute. I love it. You guys know I love pink. And I feel like it was very well made. Like it's not cheaply made. You can tell by the fabric. I've had cheap clothes and I also have expensive clothes. And this dress is very good quality. There is a zipper on the side and it goes down like this. This dress is so stinking cute. I love it. It'll be a crop top hoodie. You guys, me personally, as for my brand and my whole entire aesthetic, I love comfortable clothes. I love hoodies, I love sweatpants, I like jeans, I like leggings. I like pretty much streetwear, but in a cute way. So this is a crop top hoodie that I chose. And this quality is pretty good for a hoodie. It is very stretchy. I love the crop top. I love the fringe on the bottom of the crop top. Again, this could be completely customized if you guys want. They do allow for customization. So yeah, I love this hoodie. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this and I might have to add a few of these to my store. I would like to order these with just the blank white hoodie so that I can tie-dye them because I'm about to release a tie-dye collection, so that would be amazing. Are these super cute jeans. You guys, I love these jeans. Look at the legs of these jeans. Like, when I opened the package, I literally fell in love with these jeans. I've never seen jeans like these before. And the quality of these jeans are amazing. The only thing is I couldn't fit it. I have a really big bottom, so the legs fit, but just not the bottom. But I do like the quality of these jeans. I ended up giving them to my daughter because she loves them. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these jeans. Like if they would have fit me, I would have added these to my store. They are so cute. Like look at these in there. These pearls are so cute. I've never seen jeans like this. So if this is something that you guys are into, definitely check out Fashion Line Factory. Again, you can add your own labels to it. They do all of the customization for you. You guys, I love this quality. It reminds me of like Fashion Nova, but I feel like it's a little bit thicker than Fashion Nova jeans. So yeah. Guess what, guys? So Fashion Line was awesome enough to give me a discount code for you guys, which is going to give you guys 25% off your entire purchase until December 31st, 2021. The code is PINK25. Hablando rico, hablando caro, con mi mente clara, yeah. Hay muchas versiones que me falta. Necesito tu paciencia, yeah, yeah. So yes, guys, as you guys can see, I love all the outfits. I modeled the outfits for you Most of them fit pretty good, except for the jeans. They would not fit up my bottom because I do have a larger bottom. But again, they offer plus size. It's just the size that I ordered. I ordered an extra large. I should have got a bigger size. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys see anything that you liked in this video, let me know in the comments what you would add to your store, because I'm really tempted in adding those jeans to my store because they are so cute. Like, out of everything that I got in there, the jeans are my favorite, even though I can't fit them. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. You guys definitely check out fashionlinefactory.com if you guys are interested in adding any apparel to your business this coming fall. I feel like fall is the perfect time to add clothing because it's gonna start getting a little chilly and people are gonna start covering up more. So yeah, definitely check them out if you guys are interested. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys, peace and much love.